We are going back to the trees, a return journey into the forest, balancing our state of mind to be one with Mother Earth as it was from the beginning. Imagine if we could walk across Wales from end to end, breathing sweet air from forest trees and everlasting greenery planted by the National Forest, linking together old woodlands and forests, a place for leisure, pleasure, and nature's recyclers. Beyond these borders, we are planting forests the size of Wales in Mbale, Uganda, and her environs. 15 million trees planted and counting, building communities with resolve and resilience, fighting climate change and the pangs of poverty. Under the canopy of Uganda's skies, the gods whisper with forest breeze. Old men sit in the shade because they planted a tree long ago. The ground delivers what we plant, and Wales extends a friendly hand. Here in the woodlands, across Camry, and beyond the hills, seas to Uganda, the joys of dancing and walking in the forest. Size of Wales and the National Forest, standing tall at the forefront, combating global warming, linking beyond borders, these forests, woodlands, new plantation, capturing and storing carbon, preserving us and Mother Earth.